Do you want to scan documents directly from your Sindoh printer and send straight to email without using a computer? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Scan to Email using Gmail's SMTP so you can send to any email address quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to your Sindoh printer's web interface. Then, log in using your administrator account to access the necessary settings. From the left menu, click the Wired Network tab to check the printer's IP configuration. Make sure you've configured the correct IP address in DNS so the printer can access the Internet. Next, from the left menu, click SMTP to start configuring email sending with Gmail. Here, enter your email address in both fields, SMTP username and my email address. This will be the email used to send scanned files to other email addresses. Next, enter Google's SMTP address into the SMTP server IP address field. Next, enter your email address in the sender field. This will be the address shown when the printer sends scanned files. Next, in the SMTP password field, you cannot use your regular Gmail password. Instead, you need to generate an app password in your Google account. This special password allows applications like your Sindoh printer to connect securely to Gmail. Now log into your Gmail account and create an app password for the printer. In your Google account settings, click Security from the left menu. Here, use the search bar in the Security section to type App Password. Then select the result to open the App Password setup. Set a recognizable name, for example, Password Scan Email Sindoh. Then click Create and Google will generate a new app password for you. After creating it, Google will display a 16-character app password. Copy this password. Go back to your Sindoh printer's web interface and paste it into the SMTP password field. Next, in the Security field, select SSL to enable a secure connection for sending emails. Enter 465, which is the standard port Gmail requires for SMTP with SSL. Finally, click Save Settings to save all configurations. From now on, your Sindoh printer is ready to send scanned files directly via Gmail to any email address. And that's it. We've finished setting up Scan to Email on your Sindoh printer using Gmail. From now on, you can scan and send documents directly to any email address with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.